Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about monthly prediction of December from 14th December 2024 till 14th of January 2025 for all the ascendant. So first of all, we will talk about Aries ascendant. For all the Aries ascendant people, Sun controls your 5th house. And right now, Sun is transiting from your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. Around 14th to 15th of December, Sun will move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Sagittarius and will stay into your 9th house till 13th of January 2025. So, your 5th house controls your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your sincere love relationship, also represented by only sincere love relationship represented by 5th house. Your fun activities, your sports, anything you love to do in your spare time is also seen from 5th house. Which thing you are fond of also seen from 5th house. 3rd house also considered as the curriculum activity which you do into your spare time, but 5th house is the major house considered as the thing you are fond of to doing. So your 5th house plot will be transiting from your 9th house during this time period. 9th house is with your education, your higher education, teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, etc. All of these things are seen from 9th house. Your luck related matter is also seen from 9th house. Travel, your religious knowledge, religious inclination, all of these things are seen from 9th house. Rules, regulation, and second marriage, all of these things are seen from 9th house. So your 5th house lord will be targeting from your 9th house. This position will consider as a good position for Aries ascendant people because 5th house and 9th house, both the houses are considered as strike. First, 5th, and 9th, these triangle is considered as the most beneficial triangle in astrological birth chart because from this triangle we see your knowledge, your achievements, your gains, your related matters also represented by these houses. So when 5th house lord will be talking from your 9th house, we can expect good result regarding your education, your children related matter if you have any children. If you have any love relationship, then we can also expect you will spend quality time with your loved ones during this time period. Mercury controls your 3rd house and your 6th house, and Mercury is right now transiting along with Sun into your 8th house. Mercury is just come out from a retrograde motion and on 15th of December, and Mercury onwards will be moving in a direct motion during this time period. Mercury controls your 3rd house and your 6th house, and right now Mercury is transiting from your 8th house along with Sun. Mercury is just come out from its retrograde motion and will stay into your 8th house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from the 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Sagittarius, where Sun will be already moving. So your 3rd house and 6th house lord will be transiting from your 8th house. We can expect you may face some difficulty regarding your communication related matter. But if you are facing some court case litigation argument, some confrontation from your enemies, we can expect suddenly things will come into your favor after Mercury comes into its retrograde motions. Before 15th of December, when Mercury was moving in its retrograde motion, we can expect there will be but after 15th of December, we can expect you will have some strength. Suddenly things will come into your favor, but still you need to be very careful from your confrontation because Ketu is already transiting from your 6th house. 3rd house lord is also transiting from your 8th house. You may involve into secretive communication during this time period due to presence of your communication lord to your secrecy house, because from 8th house we also see your secrets, your secretive activities, your sexual activity, your extramarital affair, your unearned money, etc. All of these things are seen from 8th house. Hidden things, all the hidden knowledge is also seen from 8th house. So till 4th of January, you need to be very careful due to presence of Ketu in the house of Mercury, and Mercury is right now moving into your 8th house. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your 8th house to 9th house, we can expect you may face some relief. And from 9th house, Mercury will also expect its own house, means your 3rd house. So we can expect things will be comes into balance because your ascendant Lord Mars is also is present in its debilitated state during this time period. You need to keep this thing into your mind. Your ascendant lord right now in a your ascendant lord is right now moving in its debilitation state. You need to be try to control your anger. You need to be take care of your anger issues during this time, especially when you're dealing with your homies and your surround people during this time period due to presence of Mars and instability. If you are older in age, you have some heart related issues, you need to be very careful regarding your treatment, regarding your medication, regarding all of these matters during this time period. Venus controls your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your 10th house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. Second house deal with your family history, your earnings, your savings, your money matter. All of these things seem from second house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationship in general, your business partnership, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. All of these things are seen from seventh house. Your fame is somehow also seen from seventh house. So your second house and seventh house lord is right now already from your 10th house, but Venus is receiving aspect of debilitated Mars during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding your image, regarding your popularity related matter on any level you are working. You may need to control your anger at your workplace, at your social image during this time period, but you don't need to worry a lot due to aspect of Jupiter from your second house, from the house of Venus to your 10th house, from its 9 aspect. Jupiter is right now present into your second house, and from second house Jupiter is aspecting your 10th house Venus. So we can expect you will have a stable result during this time, but still, as we talked previously, your ascendant lord right now is moving in its debilitated state, so you need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. After 28th of December, when Venus will move from your 10th house to your 11th house, where Saturn is already moving, and Saturn Venus considered as friends in astrology, so we can expect you will have a lot of opportunities, you will have a lot of gains, whatever you're working, because already Jupiter is present into your second house. Jupiter expand your earnings, your savings, because because when Jupiter is moving from any house, Jupiter expand the significance of that house. So right now Jupiter is traveling from your second house. Also, your second house lord will be moving to your 11th house after 28th of December. So we can expect you will have great result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your fulfillment of hopes and wishes, regarding your support system and your elder brother sisters related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Sun controls your 4th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 7th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 7th house to your 8th house around 15th to 14th of December, and will stay into your 8th house till 13th of January 2025. So major time period, your 4th house lord will be moving into your 8th house during this time period in the sign of Sagittarius. Your 4th house will be your properties, your home people, where you live, your properties, vehicles, comfort. All of these things are seen from your 4th house. Your conveniences in life is also seen from 4th house, your vehicles, your emotions, etc. So your 4th house, what we're talking from your 8th house, you need to avoid any property related matter. If you are into some property matter during this time period due to presence of your 4th house or into your 8th house, you may have to face some type of betrayal. You may have to face some type of loss due to the presence of your 4th house or into your 8th house. So you need to postpone the date of your properties matter during this time period if you are dealing with some property matter. Also, if you need to avoid conflict with your home members during this time period, you may face some type of difficulties. Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your seventh house in the sign of Scorpio. Mercury just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December and will stay into your seventh house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 7th house to your 8th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So your second house and your fifth house lord will be transiting from your 8th house. Second house will with your money matters, your family members, your early upbringing, your savings, your bank account, your pocket. All of these things is seen from second house. Your speech, your mouth, etc. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, etc. So, your second house and fifth house, Lord, when transiting from your eighth house, you will get some unexpected gain regarding your money related matter due to presence of your second house Lord into your eighth house, because eighth house also deal unexpected gains. And from the house of unexpected gains, your second house Lord will expect its own house, your second house. So we can say you may get unexpected gain. If your money is stuck somewhere, there are chances you may get that money during this time period. Your fifth house Lord will also be transiting from your eighth house. And also your fifth house is occupied by Ketu right now during this time period. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into your eighth house. If you have children, any love relationship, any sincere love relationship into your life, you need to be very careful regarding these two matters. Or rest of the thing we can expect there will be a some the rest of the thing will be okay during this time period, but you need to be very careful regarding your children's related matter and your love relationship due to aspect of Jupiter from your first house to your fifth house Ketu. We can expect you will manage all the other things, but you need to be very careful regarding your children's and your love relationship during this time period, especially till 4th of January, till Mercury is transiting from your 8th house in the sign of Sagittarius. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house, we can expect you may get some stability and you will get the stable result due to aspect of Jupiter on your 9th house as well in the sign of Capricorn. Venus controls your first house and your sixth house. Means Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus is your ascendant lord, and right now your ascendant occupied by Jupiter. This is a very positive position for you people, because Jupiter is right now present into your first house into your ascendant, and your ascendant lord is right now transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Venus will stay into your ninth house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. So your ascendant lord is right now transiting from your ninth house. We can expect good result regarding your overall uh, aspects of life due to presence of your ascendant lord into your ninth house, also receiving the aspect of Jupiter from your ascendant. So if you are into some higher education, you are doing some higher education, some research for some post-grad education, we can expect you may get good result during this time period. Your teacher will be very supportive. Luck will also support you during this time period, and you may go to some travel or plan to go some travel during this time period as well, due to presence of aspect of Jupiter from your first house to your ninth house. After 28th of December, we can also expect great result for your work related matter, for your fame related matter. If you are some public figure, some politician, actor, etc., then we can expect you will get some popularity due to presence of your first house lord, your 10th house, and also Venus and Saturn considered as friends in astrology. So you will get the good result due to presence of these two planets into your 10th house. Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mars is transiting from its debilitation sign in the sign of Cancer. And also, Mars is it's in its retrograde motion. So, 12th house deal with losses, expenses, your isolation, your spirituality related matter, etc. And foreign related matter is also seen from 12th house. 7th house deal with your relationship, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, your commitments, your fame is somehow also seen from 7th house, partnership, business partnership, etc. So your 12th house and 7th house lord is right now moving into debilitation state into your 3rd house deal with your communication. You may face some type of loss regarding your communication and verbal abusive language related matter, because you need to be very careful regarding your anger issues and your communication related matter during this time period till Mars is moving in its debilitation sign into your 3rd house. Because Mars controls your losses, your expenses may increase during this time period. Also, if you are married right now, you need to avoid conflict with your spouse or your business partner, etc. etc. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Sun controls your 3rd house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 6th house to your 7th house around 15th to 14th of December, and will stay into your 7th house in the sign of Sagittarius till 13th of January 2025. Third house deal with your communication skills, your ability to do efforts, your courage, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, etc. So when your third house lord will be transiting from your seventh house, we can expect you may get good result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your health related matter, because from seventh house sun will aspect your first house, your ascendant. So sun will illuminate the significance of your first house. You may get good result regarding your health related matter. You will focus on your health, your relationships will be good during this time period. You may get all benefits of your relationship related matter. Means seventh house is with your commitment, your business partnership, all of this thing. If you are some public figure, then we can also expect you will have great result regarding your fame related matter. Mercury controls your first house and your fourth house. Mercury is very important planet for you people because Mercury is your ascendant lord, and right now Mercury is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Scorpio. Mercury has just come out from its retrograde motion, and Mercury will stay into your sixth house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So your ascendant lord and your 4th house lord is right now targeting from your 6th house in the sign of Scorpio till 4th of January. You may face some type of confrontation, difficulty from your hidden enemies, from people who are against you. You may face some type of difficulty, but your fourth house is right now occupied by Ketu, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into your fourth house. So you may get good result regarding all of difficulties you're facing in your life, regarding your health issues, regarding your competition related matter. You will also get the strength to withstand all the difficulties, all the issues into your life, because sixth house also deal with your strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life. So when your ascendant lord means your ascendant lord is transiting from your sixth house. So you will get good result regarding all of these matters. Venus controls your 12th house and your fifth house, and right now Venus is transiting from your eighth house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your eighth house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your eighth house to your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already transiting. 12th house will be your expenses, your isolations, your foreign related matter, your spirituality, your mind, your imagination, etc. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education, your college level education, your fun activities, etc. Throne in life, higher post in life, also represented by fifth house. So your 12th house and fifth house lord is right now theoretic from your eighth house will be your secrecy, your secret activity, your in-laws related matter, your hidden knowledge you have, your all the secretive activities are seen from eighth house. Your sudden unexpected gain, sudden positive event, sudden negative event, all of these things are seen from eighth house. So your 12th house lord and fifth house lord is right now theoretic from your eighth house. One naturally malefic house lord, 12th house, considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology due to presence of significance of expenses, losses, isolation, etc. So when one naturally malefic house lord is subject from another naturally malefic house, it prove a beneficial position somehow, because negative always cancels each other out. It will become a positive situation for you people. You may get sudden unexpected gain from foreign land. You will have you will get sudden good result from foreign land. If you have any connection from foreign land, you will be able to imagine correctly during this time period. Your support system, your imagination, means your thought process will be a very pronounced during this time period. The presence of Jupiter into your 12th house and expecting your ascendant lord into your 6th house. After 4th of January, when Venus will move from your 8th house to 9th house, then we can expect good result regarding your children, regarding your 5th house related matter as well, due to presence of your 5th house lord into your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. And Saturn and Venus also considered friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your ninth house related matter. Means if you are in higher education, your luck related matter, your superior, your all the matter will be in a into your favor during this time period, when your 12th house and your 5th house will be transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Aquarius. Mars controls your 11th house and your 6th house, and right now Mars is transiting from your second house in the sign of Cancer. There is one thing very important to not forget is that Mars is right now in a debilitation state, and Mars is also moving in its retrograde motion into your second house. 11th house deal with your gains, and 6th house deal with your hidden enemy, your strength, your health. Right. So these two significations mean these two issues, your gains and your strength, you need to be very careful regarding your health related matter, regarding your communication related matter, because Mars is debilitated in the house of speech and also carries the lordship of your gains, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment hopes and wishes. You may get some type of disturbance, but suddenly things will turn into your favor due to presence of your 12th house lord into your 8th house Venus, and Venus is also expecting your debilitate Mars into your second house. You just need to be very careful regarding your speech related matter during this chapter. Rest of the thing we can expect great for you people, all the Gemini ascendant people. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant people. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is transiting from your fifth house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your fifth house to your sixth house around 14th to 15th of December and will stay into your sixth house till 14th of January 2025. So your second house lord is transiting from will be transiting from your sixth house major time period. So we can expect you will get good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your earnings related matter, because second, sixth, and 10th house, this triangle is always connected to your earnings and your work related matter. But there is one important thing for all the Cancer ascendant people is that your Mars is duplicated into your ascendant right now. Means Mars is right now transiting from your ascendant and in the sign of Cancer, Sun considered as duplication sign for Mars. You would need to be very careful regarding your health related matter, regarding all the aspects of your life due to presence of Mars into its duplicated state. Also, Mars controlled the rulership of your 10th house. Your image related matter, if you have any children and love relationships and still love relationships, you need to be very careful regarding all of these matter due to presence of Mars in its debilitation state, and also Mars is moving in its retrograde motion. You also need to avoid conflicts, anger issues during this time period. You may face some time to time anger issues till Mars is moving in its retrograde motion till February 2025. Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is also starting from your fifth house. Mercury just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December and will stay into your fifth house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will also move along with Sun into your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Your 12th house lord will be present into your sixth house, and from sixth house, your 12th house lord will aspect its own house. So your foreign credit matter, your expenses and losses will be in a control during this time period. Just you need to be take care about your Mars related matter, which we have just talked about. All the thing we all rest of the thing we can expect there will be a on and off matter, but you need to be very careful regarding your anger issues, your health related matter during this time period. Your third house lord is also transiting from your sixth house and Mercury. Your third house lord Mercury will also be transiting from your sixth house, and third house is right now occupied by Ketu. You may face some communication related difficulties during this time period due to presence of your communication lord. Your third house lord will be in the house of conflict, in the house of confrontation, and your ascendant is right now also in the communication state. So that's why we can expect you need to be very careful regarding your communication and your arguments related matter when you're dealing with some uh, people during this time period. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 7th house. Venus will stay into your 7th house until 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from the 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. Means your 8th house is right now in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in its own house. And after 28th of December, when Venus will also move to your 8th house in aspect, you will get sudden unexpected gains. You may get sudden stability. Your secrets are protected during this time period. Venus, but before 4th of January, Venus still present into your first house. Venus will give you strength to your debilitation mark, because from 7th house, Venus will also aspect your first house. So Venus will give some support to your debilitation Mars at your first house. You may get good gains. You will have support of your superior. Your support system, your friend system will be strong during this time period. Will be supporting for you due to presence of Jupiter at your 11th house, and 11th house will with your friend circle, your professional circle, your support system, your elder brother and sister, your sources, etc. etc. But after 4th of January, when Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house, then you will have some stability due to presence of Saturn into your 8th house. Your secret will be protected, your sudden events will be protected during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people from 14th of December 2024 till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun is your ascendant lord. Sun is very important planet for you people. And right now, Sun is transiting from your 4th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 4th house to 5th house in the sign of Sagittarius around 14th to 15th of December, and will stay into your 5th house in the sign of Sagittarius till 14th till 13th of January 2025. So your ascendant lord will be transiting from your 5th house. This position will prove very beneficial for you people regarding your children, regarding your love relationship, regarding your mental abilities, planning abilities. You will spend good time during this time period presence of sun into your 5th house with your loved ones, with your children, etc. If you're in education lab, you will perform very well. Your mental ability will be very supportive during this time period. What you will learn, you will able to apply during this time period due to presence of your 1st house or into your 5th house. Mercury controls your 11th house and your 2nd house. And right now, Mercury is also transiting from your 4th house in the sign of Scorpio. Mercury has just come out from its great motion and will be present into your 4th house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will also move along with Sun to your 5th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Your 11th house lord is transiting from your 4th house with properties, comfort, conveniences related matters. So we can expect you may try to buy some convenience related items during this time, or you may renovate your home, or you may arrange some get together or event into your house due to presence of your 11th house get together friends professional circle or into your 4th house in the house of property vehicles comfort and home. Your 2nd house lord is transiting from your 4th house, and 2nd house is occupied by Ketu. You don't need to focus on to saving a lot of money during this time period. Presence of Ketu into your 2nd house, because Ketu may give you good bad result if you try to save a lot of money, because Ketu try to lose money. Ketu don't like to accumulate a lot of wealth, a lot of saving, etc., etc. Ketu is a spiritual planet. So you don't need to run for a lot of money during this time period for saving a lot of money during this time period, because Ketu may give you bad result if you try to save a lot of money. You need to focus on to your things which you need right now. So after 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your 4th house to 5th house, we can expect you will get good result regarding your children, regarding your love relationship and your mental abilities related matter. Because Sun will be all because Sun, your ascendant lord, will also be transiting from your 5th house, and Mercury will join Sun into your 5th house after 4th of January. Venus controls your 10th house and your 3rd house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 6th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your 6th house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. 10th house deal with your work, your image, your authority in life, whatever you are doing, your superior, your bosses, your co-worker, your work environment, how good you are in your work, how far you can go into your career, etc. All of these things seen from 10th house. 3rd house will be your communication, your efforts, your courage, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friend, etc. So when you 10th house and 3rd house lord is something from the 6th house till 28th of December, we can expect you will get great result regarding your work related matter. Whatever you are doing, whatever post you will perform very well at your work level. You may also get some support of your superior. You will also get some increment promotion during this time period, because 6th, 2nd, and 10th house always connected with your work and your earning. And right now, Jupiter is present into your 10th house and expecting your 10th house lord into your 6th house. So that's why we can expect till 28th of December you will get very good result regarding your work environment, your bosses, superior, better. If you're by self, on a authoritative post, then we can expect you will also get the great result and there will be an increase into your authority during this time period. After 28th of December, when Venus will move from your 6th house to 7th house, then Venus will be in a then Venus will be with Saturn, and Venus and Saturn consider friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result regarding your personality, regarding your health, overall health, and overall aspects of life due to present of Venus and Saturn into 7th house, and both the planet will aspect your first house, your ascendant. So this will illuminate the significance of your first house. You may focus on your personality and you will get the good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter as well, whatever at whatever level you're working. Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house. And right now Mars is moving in its debilitation sign, in the sign of Cancer, and also Mars is in its retrograde motion. Mars present in your 12th house and controls your 9th house. You may try to travel during this time period, but you need to avoid travel due to presence of Mars in debilitation state. You may get some may face some type of difficulty regarding your property. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people from 14 December 2024 till 14 January 2025. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is starting from your 3rd house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius around 14th to 15th of December, and will stay into your 4th house till 13th of January 2025. Your 12th house lord will be transiting from your 4th house. 4th house will be your homeland. 12th house will be foreign travel, foreign settlement. If you are looking for foreign settlement, try to move from your birthplace to some different country, then we can expect positive time period for this kind of movement. You may have to face some type of loss regarding your home related matter if you are not into some travel factors right now, because 12th house will be your expenses, losses, and your 12th house will be deducted from your 4th house. Also, you need to be very careful regarding your mother's health, regarding the old people in your home due to presence of your 12th house or into 4th house. You may face some type of difficulties, so you need to be take care of these matters. Mercury controls your 1st house and your 10th house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your 3rd house in along with Mercury controls your 1st house and your 10th house. Means Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury is your ascendant out, and right now Mercury is starting from your 3rd house. Mercury is just come out from its retrograde motion around on 15th of December and will stay in your 3rd house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So your ascendant lord and 10th house lord is right now present into your 3rd house. You will put a lot of effort into your work rate matter, and you will also get the revenue of that effort due to presence of your 10th house or your work related controller of your work, your bosses, your superior authority is right now moving in the house. 3rd house deal with your courage, your efforts, how much effort you can put into anything. So when your 10th house lord is right now present, your 3rd house also controls your 1st house, so you will put a lot of effort into your work and you will also get the revenue of that effort till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house. Your ascendant is right now occupied by Ketu. So you need to be very careful regarding your work rate. Ketu may create some type of disturbance. You may feel lost time to time during this time. You need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. So try to avoid communication difficulties till 4th of January till Mercury is moving into your 3rd house. After that, you will get stable result at your work rate matter. And due to aspect of Jupiter on Ketu, you will have the stable result. But till Mercury moving into your 3rd house, you have to be take care of your communication related matters. Venus controls your 9th house and your 2nd house. And right now, Venus is transiting from your 5th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay in your 5th house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 5th house to your 6th house, where Saturn is already moving in the sign of Aquarius. Means Saturn is right now moving in its own sign. 9th house deal with your travel, your religious matter, your religious inclination, your luck related matter, how fortunate you are, your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, your higher education, your post education, rules, regulation, etc. And following rule, regulation, etc. is also seen from 9th house. 2nd house will be your speech, your savings, your money matter, your family matter, and etc. So your second house and ninth house Lord is transiting from your fifth house. We can expect great result regarding the education, regarding the children's related matter. If you have children, you are in education life. Also, if you are not married and you have any love relationship, then we can also expect great result because your ninth house Lord is right now moving into your fifth house and also receiving the aspect of Jupiter from your ninth house. After 28th of December, when Venus will move from your first house to your sixth house, where Saturn is already moving, and Venus and Saturn considered friends in astrology. That's why we can also expect great result. Whatever difficulties you are facing due to presence of Ketu in your first house, Venus and Saturn will give you strength to withstand these difficulties because Venus and Saturn perform very well into your sixth house and all the malefic houses like 6, 8, and 12. Mars controls your eighth house and your third house, and right now Mars is also transiting from your 11th house. One thing is very important to mention about Mars is that Mars is right now moving in stabilization sign in the sign of Cancer and also moving in retrograde motion. So 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains, your hopes and wishes, your support system, your elder brothers, sisters, etc. You need to be very careful regarding your friend circle and professional circle. You don't try to trust blindly with your in your friend circle during this time. You may face some type of betrayal, some type of loss from your friends and professional circle. Also, your gains will be minimized during this time period due to presence of Mars and stabilization state into your 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people from 14th of December 2024 till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Libra. For all the Libra ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your second house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your second house to third house around 14th to 15th of December and will stay into third house till 13th of January 2025. So your 11th house Lord will be transiting from your third house. You may have to face a lot of get together with your friend circle and professional circle during this time. You may arrange some get together with your colleagues and you will have the quality time regarding your communication related matter. Also, your efforts, your courage will be illuminated during this time period. Your 10th house is right now in a difficult position due to presence of Mars in its debilitation sign in the sign of Cancer. So your 10th house, your work related matter will be may somehow in a disturbance, but you will have the courage, you will put a lot of effort to stabilize these difficulties which you will face due to presence of Mars in your 10th house in its debilitation state. Also, Mars is moving in its retrograde motion. Mercury just come out from its retrograde motion, and right now Mercury is present into your second house, and Mercury will present into your second house till 4th of January. So till 4th of January, you will face some good result regarding your savings, regarding your money related matter due to presence of your ninth house or into your second house, also controls your 12th house. If you have any connection from foreign land, you will able to get good result regarding your gains related matter. But if you don't have any connection from foreign land, you need to be very careful regarding your expenditure and savings related matter because 12th house also controlled by Mercury, and Mercury is right now moving in the house of savings in your into your set. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from the second house to third house in the sign of Sagittarius, then your matters, your money related matters, and your foreign related matter will be stabilized, and your losses, your expenses will be on the scale. Means your expenses will be higher during this time period. So after 4th of January, when Mercury will move from the second house to third house, your expenses will come on a normal level. Venus controls. Venus is very important planet for you people because Venus is your ascendant lord, and right now Venus is starting from your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your 4th house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 4th house to your 5th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. And the position of Venus into your 4th house will give you very good result because Venus is your ascendant lord. Also gives support to your 10th house where Mars is moving in its debilitation state. Because from 4th house, Venus will aspect your 10th house debilitated Mars. Venus also controls your 8th house. So you may suddenly get unexpected gains regarding your properties vehicle. If you are dealing with some inherited money related matter, then you will there are chances you may get these gains during this time period because 8th house also deal with your inheritance. And right now your 8th house is there. Right now your 8th house lord is started from your third Right now, your 8th house lord is transiting from your 4th house in the sign of Capricorn. After 28th of December, when Venus will move from your 4th house to your 5th house, then you will get great result regarding your mental abilities, regarding your planning abilities if you are in education life. Then we can expect good result. If you have children, then we can also expect good result regarding your children and with your children's related matter, all the matters related to children. So we can expect these results for all the Libras and from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Scorpio sign. For all the Scorpio sign people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your first house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your first house to second house around 14th to 15th of December and will stay into your second house in the sign of Sagittarius till 13th of January, 13 January 2025. So your 10th house lord will be transiting from your second house. So that's why we can expect you will have great result regarding your work related matter, whatever you are working, you will have good amount of saving during this time, but your savings will be eliminated. You will have great result regarding your family related matter and your loved ones. Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your first house into your ascendant. Mercury is just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December and will stay into your first house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Sagittarius. Your 8th house and your 11th house is right now, your 8th house lord and your 11th house lord is right now starting from your first house. Your 11th house is also occupied by K2, so you may get some disturbing result from your friend circle, professional circle. Your support system will be very disturbed during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding your friend circle and professional circle. Also, your 8th house lord is transiting from your first house. You who are facing difficult. Your 8th house lord is also transiting from your first house till your 8th house lord is also transiting from your first house till 4th of January because Mercury were moving it to great motion. You were facing many difficulties due to Mercury was in retrograde motion. Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is starting from your first house in the sign of Scorpio, means into your ascendant. Mercury has just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December. After 15th of December, after Mercury comes out of retrograde motion, right now Mercury is moving its direct motion into your first house and will stay into your first house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your first house to second house. Your 8th house lord is starting from your first house. You were previously facing many difficulties due to Mercury were in retrograde motion controlling your 8th house, and 8th house also deal with humiliation, disturbance, some kind of unexpected result. But still, Mercury is right now moving to first house, but in a direct motion. You may get some relief, but still Ketu is starting from your 11th house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into your first house. You will get unexpected sudden bad events. You may get some type of these result due to presence of Ketu into 11th house lord is starting from your first house. You have to be very careful regarding your friends, circle, your professional circle, your elder brother, sister may get some type of disturbance during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your first house to second house, you need to be very careful regarding your expenses and losses because Mercury is taking K2's energy into its second house. You may get sudden unexpected gain, but still you need to be very careful regarding your gains related matter because K2 is right now traveling from your 11th house. Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 3rd house. Venus will stay into your 3rd house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the sign of Aquarius. 12th house will be your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement, your imagination, etc. 7th house will be your legal bindings, your commitment, your agreemented things, your relationships in journal, etc. etc. So your 7th house lord is transiting from your 3rd house. You may encounter a lot of get together. You may want to meet a lot of people. You may arrange some get together with your acquaintances, your childhood friends, cousins, neighbors, etc. But there is still a matter of some type of loss due to communication related matter you need to be avoid because Venus also controls your 12th house and right now starting from your 3rd house. Your 7th house is occupied by Jupiter. Your marriage related matter will be very flourish. You may get good proposal if you're single right now. If you're looking for a spouse, you may get good proposals. You may find some fame related matter. If your work is somehow connected to fame, then we can expect you will get good result regarding your fame related matter. Just you need to be very careful regardarding your 11th house related matter, because it's something from your 11th house, also from your third house related matter, because Venus controls your 12th house, and right. So you have to be very careful regarding your health issues. You may face some type of difficulties. You need to be careful regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, your elders may not support you during this step. Your teacher, your father figures in life may give you some type of disturbing result. You need to be very careful regarding all of this matter and their health related matter as well. Mars also controls your sixth house. Lord is something from your ninth house. You may face some type of loss regarding your court case litigation related matter if you are facing some these type of matter into your life, because your sixth house lord will control your strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life is right now moving in its weak state. That's why you need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpios and people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and right now Sun is traveling from your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 12th house to your first house around 14th to 15th of December, and will stay into your first house, means into your ascendant around 13th of January 2025. Ninth house lord will be transited from your, if you want to travel somewhere, there will be a good opportunity during this time period. If you are in education life, we can expect good result for you people. Also, you who may get good result regarding you may also get good result if you want to go some religious places during this time period, because your ninth house lord will be transiting from your first house into your ascendant. Also, sun will illuminate the significance of your first house, because sun illuminate the significance of the house in the sun is moving. So sun will be transiting from your first house. So sun will illuminate the significance of your first house during this time period. Mercury controls your 7th house and your 10th house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your 12th house. Mercury has just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December. So till 4th of January, Mercury will be staying into your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. After that, Mercury will move from your 12th house to first house in the sign of Sagittarius. 10th house controls your work environment, your authority, your power, your superior, your bosses, how good you're in your work, how far you can go into your career, your occupation. All of this thing is represented by your 10th house. 7th house will be your marriage, your relationship in general, your legal bindings, your commitments, how you will meet others, and fame is somehow also seen from 7th house and 10th house. So till Mercury is moving into your 12th house, you need to be very careful at your workplace. You may face some type of difficulties due to presence of Ketu in your 10th house. You may get some type of disturbance from your bosses, superiors. Try not to leave your job during this time period, because Ketu is starting from your 10th house. And Mercury is taking Ketu's energy to your 12th house. And 12th house deals with your losses, your expenses. So there are chances you may face some type of difficulty. Also, Mars present in its debilitation is straight into your 8th house, also in its retrograde motion. So someone may try to create conspiracy against you at your workplace. You need to be very careful. But there are chances you may have to face some type of humiliation and disturbance. Venus controls your 6th house and your 11th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 2nd house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your 2nd house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 2nd house to 3rd house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn, 3rd house lord, is already moving. 6th house deal with your court case litigation, your arguments, your strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life, your health issues, especially your acute health issues are seen from 6th house, your daily routine, your loans, your debt. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your gains in life, incoming gains, how much gains you can accumulate in this life is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Right. So till Venus is transiting from the 2nd house, we can expect great result regarding your gains. You will accumulate a lot of gains during this time period. Either it is a money related gains or some other gains. You will able to save a lot of money because due to presence of 11th house or into your seventh saving house lord. Also, you will your health will be stable during this time period. You will also able to pay your loans back if you are in debt right now due to presence of Jupiter and aspect of Jupiter on your sixth house lord into your second house. So that's why we can expect good result for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius ascendant people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house. And right now, Sun is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius around 15th or 14th of December and will stay into your 12th house till 13th of January 2025. 8th house deal with sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house, your sudden positive, sudden negative events, all of these things, your secretive activities, etc. So when your 8th house lord is transiting from your 12th house, means one naturally malefic house lord will be transiting from another naturally malefic house. You may face some type of difficulty initially, but eventually you will face sudden good event due to presence of one naturally malefic house lord into another naturally malefic house, because negative always cancels each other out. It will prove a beneficial position for you people in the end. Mercury controls your 9th house and your 6th house, and right now Mercury is starting from your 11th house. Mercury just come out from its retrograde motion around 15th of December and will stay into your 11th house till 4th of January 2025. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So, 6th house is with your court case, litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of your work, your loans, debt, your enemies, you confront people who are against you are seen from 6th house. 9th house it will deal with your second marriage, your religious matter, your religious inclination, your long distance travel, also seen from 9th house, your higher education, your post-grad education, etc. Pilgrimages is also seen from 9th house. So till your 9th house and 6th house lord is starting from your 11th house, we can expect good result regarding your court case, litigation, arguments, related matter. You may get good result regarding all of this thing because your 6th house lord is moving in the house of gain into your 11th house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house, then Mercury from your 12th house aspect its own house, your 6th house, will give you strength to withstand all the difficulties, court case, litigation, argument, whatever matter you are facing right now, and will give you good result. Your 9th house is right now occupied by Ketu, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy into your 12th house after 4th of January. So you may get some unstable thoughts during this time period regarding your rules and regulations, religious matter, whatever you are following right now. All of these things is seen from 9th house. So there are chances you may face some disturbance and irregular thoughts regarding your rules and regulations. It matters or your religion matters. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now, Venus is starting from your first house. Means right now, Venus is moving into your ascendant. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how fast you can learn things, your how fortunate you are also seen from 5th house and 9th house. Early education till college life and your fun activities also seen from 5th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your superior, your bosses, how good you are in your work, how much authority you will have in your life, how much fame you will have in your life. All of these things seen from. So till Venus is transiting from your first house in the sign of Capricorn, we can expect you will have great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your fame related matter, regarding your work related matter. You may get some type of increment and promotion at your workplace, but you need to be take care of your marriage related matter and your relationship because Mars is right now moving in its debilitation state into your 7th house. And also Mars is right now in a retrograde motion. There are chances you may face some type of argument, fight, disturbance with your partner, with your spouse or your business partner. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter. But still, Venus will give you support due to presence of your first presence into your first house or from first house. Venus will also aspect to your 7th house Mars. So we can expect these results for all. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2025. Now let's talk about Aquarius ascendant. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is starting from your 10th house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius around 15th or 14th of December, and will stay to the 11th house till 13th of January 2025. So your 7th house lord will be transiting. So your 7th house lord will be transiting from your 11th house. We can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter. You will have quality time with your spouse and your business partner. You will also able to accumulate a lot of gain if you are in business. Like you are not a job person, you are doing some business, then we can expect you will have great result regarding all of these matters. Also, if you are single, then you may get desirable proposals during this time period with presence of your 7th house lord into your 11th house. Mercury controls your 5th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is starting from your 10th house in the sign of Scorpio. Mercury just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December and will stay into your 10th house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your fun activities, your speculation, your all the things you're fond of is seen from 5th house. Sincere love relationship also seen from 5th house. So 8th house deal with your secretive activities, your in-laws, your sudden events, sudden positive events, sudden negative event also seen from 8th house. Ketu is right now transiting from your 8th house, and Mercury is taking Ketu energy into your 10th house. And but due to presence of Jupiter into 4th house and aspect of Jupiter on Mercury, you will have a stable result at your workplace, and somehow you will get good result because Sun will be transiting from your 11th house in the house of gains. Venus control your 4th house and your 9th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Capricorn. 4th house deal with your home, property, vehicles, comfort, conveniences, etc. Mother's relationship, etc. 9th house will be your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, father figure, teachings of your father, your teachers, mentor, your religious knowledge, religious inclination, etc. etc. All of these things come from 9th house. Long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. So your 4th house and 9th house lord is starting from your 12th house. If you are willing to move from your birthplaces from different countries, then this will consider as the ideal position for you because your 12th house is right now starting from your 12th house, and also Jupiter aspect and also Jupiter from your 4th house aspecting your 4th house or into your 12th house. So we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter if you have any travel related interest during this time period. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 12th house to your 1st house into your ascendant, and Saturn is already transiting from your ascendant. Means Saturn is right now in its own sign. Your ascendant is right now in a strong position. So Venus and Saturn consider friends in astrology. That's why we can expect great result for all the Aquarius Indian people. So we can expect great result for all the Aquarius Indian people after 28th of December when Venus will travel from your 12th house to 1st house. This will give you boost into your personality. Also, you will able to get great result at your workplace regarding your properties. Means your all the matters will be flourish after 28th of December when Venus will return into your ascendant. Mars controls your 3rd house and your 10th house, and right now Mars is moving in its debilitation state into your 6th house. Also, Mars is moving in its retrograde motion. Means Mars is present in its weak position right now. So you may face some verbal confrontation, verbal difficulty because 6th house deal with confrontation, argument, fights, difficulties, and 3rd house deal with communication. Your communication house lord is moving in its weak state right now. Also, you may face some type of difficulty at your workplace. That's why we were saying in Mercury section because Mercury is taking Ketu energy, but due to aspect of Jupiter from your 4th house, you will have a stable result. So we need to be very careful regarding your communication related matter during this time period due to presence of Mars in its debilitation state. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius and people from 14th of December till 14th of January 2020. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant people. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Sun controls your 6th house, and right now Sun is starting from your ninth house in the sign of Scorpio. Sun is about to move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius around 15th to 14th of December and will stay into your 10th house till 13th of January 2025. Sixth house deal with your court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine and contests of your work, your debt, your loan, etc. So when your sixth house lord will be transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius, we can expect you will have great result regarding your court case litigation related matter. You will flourish into your work, whatever you are doing, whatever your job is, because your sixth house is and 10th house and second house. This triangle is always connected to your work and your earnings related matter. So that's why we can expect great result regarding earnings related matter to presence of sun into your 10th house. Mercury controls your fourth house and your seventh house. And right now, Mercury is transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Scorpio. Mercury has just come out from its retrograde motion on 15th of December and will stay into your ninth house till 4th of January. After 4th of January, Mercury will move to your 10th house along with Sun. So till 4th of January, we can expect great result regarding your home, your property, your vehicles and comfort related matter. You will also able to achieve good result regarding your education related matter if you are in education lord, because house of comfort lord is moving in the house of education. Ninth house we see your higher education. If you are married right now, then there are chances you may face some type of difficulty. Then if you are looking for second marriage, then there will be a positive chances for you people due to presence of Ketu into your seventh house. Lord is right now transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Scorpio. After 4th of January, when Mercury will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of, so from 10th house, Mercury will aspect its own house, your fourth house. Then we can expect you will have great result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort. You may try to renovate your home during this time period. Also, you will get some good result at your home, means you may buy some conveniences related item during this time period due to presence of your fourth house lord into your 10th house. Venus controls your eighth house and your third house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 10th house, and Venus controls your third house and your eighth house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay into your 11th house till 28th of December. After 28th of December, Venus will move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. Third house deal with your communication, your efforts, your courage, your hand skills are also seen from third house. Your ability to do efforts, how much effort you can put in anything, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc. All of these things are seen from third house. Eighth house deal with your secretive activities, your sexual activity, your sexual relationship, extramarital affair, your secretive activities, your hidden knowledge, your in-laws related matter, your unexpected sudden events, sudden positive, sudden negative events. All of these things are seen from eighth house. So your eighth house and your third house lord is transiting from your 11th house. You may get unexpected gains during this time period till Venus is transiting from your 11th house, because house of unexpected gains lord is moving in the house of gains, in the house of actual gains. 11th house deal with your incoming gains, and third house which deal with your communication, your get together, your acquaintances right now into your 11th house, and also has the aspect of Jupiter from your third house to your 11th house. That's why we can expect you may have some type of get together during this time period. You may get some type of difficulties regarding your savings, regarding your money related matter. Also, if you have any love relationship, you need to avoid conflict with your loved ones. If you have children, you need to be very careful regarding your children. You may get disturbing result due to presence of Mars in its debilitation state, and also Mars is moving to great state. Ninth house Lord is also transiting from your fifth house in its retrograde state. Your ninth house Lord is also transiting from your fifth house in its retrograde state. So that's why you need to be very careful regarding your education and your higher education related matter. You may get inconvenient result during this time period regarding your education and your teacher's mentor guide or advisor. So you need to be very careful regarding your education related matter, your children's related matter if you have any children, or you need to avoid conflict with your loved ones if you have any sincere love relationship into your life. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces and people from 14th of December 2024 till 14th of January 2025. Our today's video monthly prediction of December and January from 14th December 2024 till 14 January 2025 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.